Hello and welcome back to my YouTube cooking channel. Get ready to join me on a delicious culinary journey as we create this heartwarming lemon garlic chicken. I start by taking the time to remove the backbone from the chicken, which allows me to seal it well on both sizes. And of course my furry family Bella will be happy when it will be used for her carrots chicken soup. We're going to kick off our cooking adventure by generously seasoning our trusty omni cooker green pan with some delicious olive oil. Let's make magic happen in the kitchen by adding in halves of garlic, fragrant rosemary and thyme, mouth-watering infusing our oil, filling our home with warmth and comfort. I am placing in this beautiful chicken and I start to seal it in all that goodness for an unforgettable dining experience. Maybe you're wondering why I'm not letting the chicken slow cook in the green pan. Well, I prefer to use my crock pot because for the next 4 hours I plan to work in my garden and I will leave the slow cooker unsupervised. I don't feel comfortable doing that with the green pan, which has multiple programs and some can reach up to 230 degrees Celsius. It's time to bring these flavors to life. I sprinkle some salt, black pepper and zesty chili flakes on the backside of my chicken, ensuring that from inside will burst with an amazing savory charm. I tuck garlic and lemon halves into the cavity of the chicken, which will add a vibrant touch that will make our taste buds just to sing. Please witness our enchanting crockpot ritual as we assemble aromatic herbs, juicy lemon and aromatic garlic into our culinary masterpiece in slow cooking splendor. I am harmonizing the flavors with salt, black pepper and chili flakes to achieve an exquisite taste of balance that will keep you coming back for more. Two hours later, I'm basting the chicken in the rendered fat infused with garlic, lemon and herbs to ensure optimal moisture retention and a glossy finish. I am going to place 2 skewers under the lid because the chicken looks too wet for my liking. Do it only if it's applicable to you. This beautiful chicken was slow cooked into the crock pot for 4 hours on high sitting function, and I hope that will bring warmth straight from my kitchen to yours. Delight in every single bite. Pair this mouth-watering creation with delightful sautéed vegetables, offering warm comfort just like Grandma used to make. If you enjoyed this and you would like to explore more mouth-watering recipes, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.